In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in Google Analytics 4. This process is essential for anyone looking to collaborate with team members or provide access to stakeholders, and it's quite straightforward once you know the steps to take. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your Google Analytics 4 account. Look for the admin gear icon, which you'll find at the bottom left corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to managing various settings within your GA4 account. Once you click on it, you'll see options under both the account and property sections. Depending on the level of access you want to grant, you'll choose either Account Access Management or Property Access Management. It's important to note here that if you add a user at the account level, they will automatically gain access to all properties tied to that account. So, be mindful of the access scope you're comfortable granting. Now, let's move on to the next step, which is adding the actual user. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a plus sign. Click on it, and you'll be given the option to select Add Users. This is where you'll enter the Google email address of the person you wish to add. If you'd like them to receive a notification about this new access, there's an option to check Notify New Users by email. This step ensures they get a login invitation and are promptly alerted to their new access. Once you've entered the user's email, it's time to discuss roles and data restrictions. Google Analytics 4 offers several roles to choose from, each with varying levels of access. If you select the administrator role, the user will have full administrative capabilities, including managing other users. The editor role, on the other hand, allows for full settings control but doesn't include user management permissions. For those focusing on marketing activities, the marketer role permits the management of events, audiences, and conversions. The analyst role is more about data analysis, providing the option to create and share reports, while the viewer role is ideal for those who only need read-only access. Additionally, you have the option to apply data restrictions. This can be useful if you want to hide sensitive cost or revenue metrics from specific users. Finally, after setting the role and any data restrictions, you'll complete the process by clicking Add. The user will then receive an email detailing their access according to the role and level you've assigned. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to effortlessly grant access in Google Analytics 4, ensuring that everyone on your team has the necessary tools to succeed. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.